Question number 1. Which of the following is a sign of placental separation? The correct option is A. Gouge of blood. Question number 2. Which instrument is used to assess petal position externally? The correct option is C. Lupul's maneuver. Question number 3. The photograph is used to monitor which of the following? The correct option is B. Progress of labor. Question number 4. The Röntgen maneuver is used during in which stage of labor? The correct option is D. Second stage. Question number 5. What is the ideal pelvis shape for vaginal delivery? The correct option is B. Gynecoid. Question number 6. What is the cardinal moment when fetal head collision with body? The correct option is C. Restitution. Question number 7. The term for bending of the fetal head during labor is? The correct option is A. Flexion. Question number 8. Which term describes the relation of petal parts to each other? The correct option is D. Attitude. Question number 9. What is the presenting part in Frink breech? The correct option is A. Buttocks. Question number 10. During labor, a nurse finds the cords protruding from vagina. The immediate action is? The correct option is D. Elevate presenting part. Question number 11. Which of the following best defines appeasement during labor? The correct option is B. Thinning of cervix. Question number 12. What is the ideal fetal attitude for delivery? The correct option is B. Partial flexion. Question number 13. What drug is contraindicated in hypertension during labor? The correct option is A. Agometrine. Question number 14. What is the common consequence of precipitate labor? The correct option is C. Birth canal trauma. Question number 15. The drug of choice for uterine relaxation in breech extraction. The correct option is A. Terbutaline. Question number 16. The petal presenting part is ballotable. What does this indicate? The correct option is D. Head not engaged. Question number 17. Which type of lucha appears on the day 3 for asphotum? The correct option is C. Robra. Question number 18. Which instrument is used to assess cervical dilation during labor? The correct option is B. Gloved fingers. Question number 19. Keylines or sips are specifically designed for? The correct option is D. Rotational delivery. Question number 20. Which labor drug causes uterine tetany if overdosed? The correct option is C. Oxytocin. Question number 21. What instrument is used to retract the bladder during C-section? The correct option is B. Doyne's retractor. Question number 22. What instrument is used to deliver after coming head in breech? The correct option is D. Pfeiffer forceps. Question number 23. Which maneuver helps in shoulder dystocia? The correct option is B. McRoberts maneuver. Question number 24. Which labor drug causes water intoxication? The correct option is A. Oxytocin. Question number 25. What is the active phase dilation rate in Fermi gravida? The correct option is D. 1.2 centimeter per hour. Question number 26. What is the common complication of prolonged second stage? The correct option is C. Fetal distress. Question number 27. Which sign confirms fetal head engagement? The correct option is B. Station 0. Question number 28. What is used to assess cervical readiness for induction? The correct option is D. Bishoff score. Question number 29. Where do uterine contraction originate during labor? The correct option is D. Fundus of uterus. Question number 30. What is the minimum cervical dilation required for vacuum delivery? The correct option is C. 10 centimeter. Question number 31. Which stage of labor is monitored using a partograph? The correct option is C. First stage of labor. Question number 32. Where is uterine contraction felt most strongly? The correct option is A. Fundus. Question number 33. What is the most common cause of fetal tachycardia? The correct option is D. Maternal fever. Question number 34. Which deceleration type is most dangerous? The correct option is B. Late deceleration. Question number 35. What is the best position for a woman in second stage of labor? The correct option is D. Latotomy at splitting. Question number 36. Which petali causes shoulder presentation? The correct option is C. Transverse. Question number 37. Which stage of labor carries highest risk of hemorrhage? The correct option is A. Third stage of labor. Question number 38. Which fetal presentation causes least delivery complication? The correct option is C. Occiput anterior. Question number 39. Which hormone softens cervix during labor? The correct option is B. Relaxin. Question number 40. When should a nurse empty the bladder during labor? The correct option is A. Every 2 hours. Question number 41. Which complication is prevented by control contraction? The correct option is C. Retained placenta. Question number 42. Which maternal behavior delays labor progress? The correct option is B. Fear, anxiety, and stress. Question number 43. What does rupture of membranes normally occurs? The correct option is D. During actual labor. Question number 44. Which of the following drug controls labor bleeding? The correct option is C. Oxytocin. Question number 45. When should breastfeeding begins after delivery? The correct option is B. Within hours. Question number 46. What is the priority action if uterus is boogie after delivery? The correct option is D. Massage the uterus. Question number 47. How is fetal well-being monitored in labor? The correct option is A. Fetal heart rate. Question number 48. What is a sign of obstructed labor? The correct option is B. Bandel's ring. Question number 49. Which fetal lie is ideal for normal delivery? The correct option is C. Longitudinal. Question number 50. What is the ideal cervical dilation rate in ectopic labor? The correct option is B. 1 centimeter per hour. Question number 51. How long is the normal second stage in Fermi Gravida? The correct option is C. 1 to 2 hours.